Hey guys, Miss Techy here, and this is going to be a different type of video. Today we'll be talking about the application that I use to invest in stocks. Yes, we are diversifying our portfolio in 2021, guys. And by stocks, I'm talking about the US and Chinese stocks. And if you want to add Nigerian stocks to it, it is fine. Now, there are a number of applications that probably do this before now, but one app that I really recommend because of the ease of use and the overall features that they bring to the table is Trove. Yeah, this app. Now, I don't know if you've heard about Trove before. Now, drop a comment if you have. By the way, if you use this code to register now, you can get free shares right now. Anyways, Trove allows you to invest as little as 1,000 Naira or $10 into the stock market. And they're also partners with Paystack, Verve, MasterCard, 213 Capital, and others. Plus, they are quite secure and use bank-grade security to ensure safety of personal information. Now, with that said, let's look at some of the features that drew me to the app. But before I go on, I'd like to say that the onboarding process on this app is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is supply your name, address, password, and your investment profile. The application will also request for your next of kin, bank details, and with all of that information provided, it should take 1 to 2 working days for your profile to be reviewed and verified. But one cool thing about Trove is that while you wait for that to happen, you can actually fund your wallet or even use the demo trading feature to practice. And the demo trading feature is actually one of the cool features that Trove app has. Now, if you are a newbie investor, you can actually switch to a demo account so that you don't incur any real losses in your learning or window shopping phase. Now, if you want to try this, it's pretty easy. Just tap on the left menu bar and tap on the live account to switch to the demo account. Now, guys, each Trove user has 2 wallets, Naira and dollar, and you're giving 1 million Naira and $1 million to trade under this account. Of course, it is just a demo account, so don't get too excited. But let's quickly go over the application for a second. And as you can see on the menu bar, you have all assets. Now, in this section, you can see all the different asset classes that are available for investment. So you see Nigerian stocks, foreign stocks, ETFs, REITs, and bonds, right? Now, in the My Portfolio section, I can see my total portfolio value and how it is broken down. There's the equity, there's a fixed income, and cash. Now, you also have the messages section, which is pretty explanatory. Now, to buy a share, right, all you have to do is search and select your desired company. Click on the buy shares option, enter the number of shares you want to buy, click the button that says proceed to payment. After reviewing your order on the confirmation screen, click confirm transaction and agree to the terms of the transaction. Click continue, and that is all. You've just bought your first share. Now, let's move over to some of the features that actually drew me to the app, aside from all that I've mentioned. Now, the first is the value analyzer and technical insight feature. Now, guys, with value analyzer, which enables you to identify the intrinsic worth of a security even before investing in it. In other words, you can actually get an intuitive view of all the key investing metrics for any stock all on a page. Now, to search for any metrics, you can use the search bar, look up any stock, and then you can view a summary of key metrics like revenue, history, dividend, and much more. So in summary, or to put it simply, right, Value Analyzer lets the facts speak for you, right? And it also helps you make better investment decisions. And aside from that, you can also use the value screener to find well-valued stocks as well as forecast the fair value of a company based on some assumptions. So pretty much this feature is really helpful for, those that like making decisions based on facts and data. Myself. Now, you also have the technical insight, which lets you take control of your investment. As you can see, this feature provides technical analysis on financial instruments like stocks and all of that, and it also helps investors optimize their strategies. Now, let's say you're like me and you find it difficult keeping up with news about the stock market, which can be very overwhelming sometimes. Well, the Trove app actually has the ability to get top daily market news to assist you in your investment journey. To access this, just go to the dashboard and scroll to the bottom, and you're met with various niche news from exclusive sources. There's also the calendar feature, which allows you to view important events such as earning announcement dates, which is when companies announce their earnings for a certain period. There's also the dividend payout dates, which is when they pay out dividends, obviously. And then there's the IPO dates, which is when companies announce the date of their initial IPO. Now, did I mention that in addition to getting top news, you can also get market reports and trade ideas sent to your email? And one feature that a lot of Nigerians will find interesting, right, is the fact that Trove actually has one of the lowest fees in the industry, just 1%, guys. Yeah, anyway, I really like the Trove mobile app experience. It is straightforward, clear, with features to make the experience fluid and insightful. And guys, I think you should definitely consider the app if you're looking to invest in stock markets around the world. And this even applies to both newbies and experienced investors. But guys, let me know what you think. And for those who want to download the app, it's available on both the Play Store and the App Store. And you can use my code, this one right here, to register now and get 5 shares of GT Bank or Dangote Sugar for free. Yeah, but yeah, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.